Come on, buddy.
That was a hot shot.
Step on back.
Never in history has one group been so highly decorated, with 5 Grammy Awards, 2 Platinum Albums, 3 MTV Music Awards, and 1 BET Lifetime Achievement Award. Gracing the magazine covers of GQ, Rolling Stone, Better Home and Garden, and Chickadee Magazine. Not to mention their epic endorsement from the Hair Club for Men. 2 words, 3 syllables. Furnace Bros. Justin Solomilo, Dale Balsay, and Tim Ubiel, aka Double Happiness, Dr. Extreme, and PH7, became household names in the late 80s and early 90s. Hit songs like Got to Know, Oh I, Ode to the Cat Lady, Open Doors, and Danger Minutes were immediate chart toppers. Even their lesser-known political music, titles like Messed Up System, Secretions, and True Dog is Trudeau, amassed a great cult following. They rose to great success, gaining a plethora of fans. Not shy were they especially to the female variety, as captured here in their first documentary, Furnace Bros, We Harshly Knew Thee. Although their fandom spread widely, like a child peeing in a public swimming pool, there had to be a breaking point. Some say there are pivotal moments when mega supreme bands achieve Rome-like greatness, only to come to a crashing end. The rise to glory and great fame has been taken away in just a moment. The space explorer, Captain Zap Brannigan, said it best. Like a house of cards, they will fall like dominoes. Checkmate. It was Lilith Fair 1996 that changed the face of rock and roll and the planet Earth itself.
Stand next to your fire. Let me stand, yeah. Let me stand, baby. Let me stand. Oh, let me stand. Oh, I'll move over and let Jimmy take over. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, get on with it, baby.
Then he walked away from the Arc de Triomphe that was his Paris to his new love museum in that of the Louvre.
What you think? Of course we replaced him. How hard it is to find a guitarist. You can go down the bloody street and find a little doodly doodle. Show him. Right here. Replacement. Good. He's the one who's gonna be missing out all those parties.
The drinking,
The girls.
more girls,
All the late night excursions.
or the early morning excursions,
Lying in bed all by yourself.
not having someone to hold you when you're sleeping.
Waking up to a pool of your own vomit.
You do that?
Sometimes.
And cleaning up his pool of vomit.
He's missing a great life.
So the question I think is what first attracted me to him? Well, if you look at him,
It's quite obvious, babe. Right?
it is quite obvious. It's the hair. He has beautiful hair. My hair is so straight, so thin, so blah.
I mean, when
And
you're
he
this...
has just
It's
wonderful
true, it's
hair.
true. When you're this beautiful, you know?
Yeah,
it's just
I
something
agree.
natural that happens, and, you know, it's just such a gift from God almost, you know?
I agree.
But
It is.
as for me too, I love this girl, and I just decided that, you know, the rock life, with all the drugs and the rock and roll and that, it just wasn't for me, you know. I just really want to settle down and find true love. But those other guys, the Furnace Bros, I guess I don't think they miss me at all. I think they're doing fine.
I guess we missed him a little.
I miss him so damn much.
I miss his smile.
I miss his scent.
I miss his laughter.
I can't breathe without him.
Breathe, breathe, breathe.
I can't!
Future plans? Well, as you know, I just started out with my music career.
She's a beautiful
So-
singer, just lovely
Thank you.
voice, lovely voice.
And I think I would want to do some traveling first and kind of get my music on the road and
Right. I guess I could travel with you then, right?
yeah,
Show on the road.
could. Or I mean, what about the kids?
Oh yeah, I guess I could stay home, look after those little rascals.
Yeah, and
Right.
you know the dishes and the laundry.
Oh, of course, dishes and laundry, standard. Standard.
So that's what our future plans are going to be. And how many kids are we going to have again?
Oh, probably 6 kids? I
Six?
think it's
I
beautiful.
thought it was 2.
Or 2 kids is fine.
2 kids.
2
Yeah.
kids.
Would be very. 6 kids is too much time. 2 kids is very good. 2 kids.
We love each other.
We love each other.
And so, Dr. Extreme and his Mrs. Dr. Extreme hit the road and made a little music of their own.
They paved paradise, put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They paved paradise, put up a parking lot. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum. And they charged the people $1.50 just to see them. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They paved paradise, put up a parking lot. Hey, farmer, farmer, put away the DDT now. Give me spots on my apples, or leave me the birds and the bees.
But what happened to the long-haired great music tour de force Furnace Bros?